In this video, we're talking about home hacks. So if you're interested in finding out more, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating on a budget a bit easier. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell, and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while we're here, give your girl a thumbs up. It doesn't cost you a thing to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. And also comment and share my video. Now today we're continuing on with my healthy and natural home series. So today our topic is 12 vinegar hacks. Yes, 12 vinegar hacks. 12. Now I did some interesting research to make sure everything was on the up and up on this one. So I'm going to read off the 12 vinegar hacks. Number 1 is a natural disinfectant on all surfaces. You mix 1 part water and 1 part vinegar in a spray bottle and you use it as disinfectant. Everybody knows that one. Number 2, it cleans your dishwasher. Now you put a cup of vinegar in the top, in a bowl or a cup in the top of the dishwasher and let it run. Works good on cleaning your dishwasher and also sterilizing it. Number 3, instead of jet dry to put in the thing to help for the rinse cycle, add vinegar. That works really well. Number 4, you can clean your hands with vinegar to remove onion and garlic smell and also smell of fish. So you know when you're cooking fish and you get that fishy that smell? Yeah, you can wash your hands with vinegar and then with soap and water and you'll get rid of that smell. Also with strong onion and garlic. Number 5 is Unclogs Drains. Now you can put a mixture of vinegar and a cup of vinegar and a cup of baking soda and cover the drain and let it sit, and about 10 minutes, let it sit, and then go pour a pot of boiling hot water down the drain, and any clog that was in there, it will wash it away. Number 6, it cleans leather sofas and chairs. You spray the white vinegar on the surface and buff it with a soft cloth, and it cleans your leather furniture. Number 7, it cleans walls. Like if you have a stain on your wall or somebody touched it and left something on your wall, you put vinegar on a damp cloth and you wipe it and it should clean it off just fine. Next one is it removes mini blind. You clean mini blinds with these. So you can take them down and you can soak them in the bathtub filled with warm water and a few cups of vinegar, and it'll clean your mini blinds if you want to clean it that way. You also can use your spray bottle and spray and wipe them and then turn, flip them on the other side and do the same thing. And it will clean your mini blinds. Number 9, you can clean your stovetop with it. Now, if you have like a gas stove, you can pour vinegar and water mix on there and clean the top of your stove. It'll make it shiny. Okay, number 10, it can clean countertops of all surfaces. 1 part vinegar and 1 part water. Now, do not spray this mixture on granite. It will do something with that granite, so do not spray the vinegar and water mix on your granite. But it does clean every other one. Number 11, it cleans showers and bathtubs. You take the baking soda, 1 part baking soda, 1 part water. You make a paste and you put it with your scrub brush and you scrub your tub. And number 12, it cleans mold and mildew. You mix 3 parts white vinegar, 1 part boracic acid, and 2 cups of hot water. You shake it up and you spray and let it soak for a few minutes and you scrub it with your scrub brush and your tub should be clean. So I hope this was informative. If it was, please let a sister know down below if you learned anything new from this. And thank you for watching. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.